Welcome to today's quick guide on finding archived communities on WhatsApp web for your PC, thanks to the latest update. If you've ever wondered where those hidden chats go or how to recover a group you once joined, this video will walk you through it step by step. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. Make sure you're logged in by scanning the QR code with your phone so you have access to all your chats, including archived ones. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side where your chat list lives. Next, find the archive section. Depending on your screen size, you might see archive near the top of your chat list or at the bottom under a dedicated archive label. Click or tap on archived to open the folder that stores all chats you've tucked away. This is where inactive conversations, including communities you've muted or paused, are kept for quick access later. Inside archived, you'll see a list of chats and groups that you've previously archived. If a community isn't immediately visible, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to filter by the name of the group or by keywords that appeared in messages within that community. Typing a few letters instantly narrows the results, helping you locate the exact archive you're after. When you spot the community you want, click on it to restore it to your main chat list or simply open it from the archived view. Restoring a chat will bring it back into your active conversations, ensuring you can rejoin conversations, read unread messages, and send updates without digging through multiple menus. If your goal is just to access information, you can stay in archived and read messages there as well. A few tips to keep things smooth. If you don't see a community right away, try refreshing the page or logging out and back into WhatsApp web. Make sure your browser is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection, as archived chats are stored locally but synced from the cloud. If you're managing several communities, organizing your favorite chats in a separate folder or pinning important groups can save time on future visits. That's all there is to locating archived communities on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, consider pinning it for future reference and share any tips of your own in the comments.